Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter, at the workbench, making shavings. What else would I be doing? This video is very short and sweet. I'm selling this number 6. I sold my other number 6, so I'm down to 2, and I only need 1. So I'm going to be keeping this recently acquired one in order to restore it. And when I say restore it, I mean to put it in a state of good user and next generation keeper. So this one is working perfectly fine. Taking perfectly fine shavings the way it's supposed to. I've got a slight camber on that blade. So this was professionally ground flat at my machinist, and there is a little registration mark, little tick ground in the corner there. Smooth on all sides. And let's see. I thought I asked him to grind them square. And yep, very close. Very close to square sides cheeks. So you could use it as a shooting plane. Rosewood knob and tote. The tote has a couple of battle scars. The knob is refinished. The blade set is the original blade set. Lever cap. And this is the blade set. Stanley logo. Cap iron is fitted and working as it should. There you have it. Right out of the get-go. So if you're in the market for a very nice number 6, I'd like to sell this for $150 plus shipping to you. Just contact me, message me, and in the comment section, and we'll get together by email. But I don't need 2 of them. And you know, I'm trying to make room. A little bit of lubrication. Oh, much better. If you have any questions, comments, suggestions, leave them down in the comment section. forget to like, subscribe, and share. Walter out.